Hello students, this is the 8th part of matrices. This is important class for matrices. Today I am going to start the concept of determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. So especially in our class we will deal two types of square matrix. To find the determinant of a square matrix, actually we use two types. One is 2 by 2 matrix, another is 3 by 3 matrix. How to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix? What the definition of determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, and what is the definition of determinant of 3 by 3 matrix? Okay, so first of all I want to explain the definition of determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. For example, A, B, C, D is a 2 by 2 matrix A. There exists a unique real number which is said to be the representative of A and denoted by this symbol or read as det A, defined as AD minus BC. AD minus BC is a number, real number. If ABCD are real number, that automatically AD minus BC becomes real number. This real number, this unique real number is said to be the determinant of this matrix A. Symbolically this can be written as, you can read as det A, not mod A, det A, or det A equal to AD minus BC. For example, matrix A is given as 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. We want to find its determinant. Just 3 2s are 6, minus 4 3s are 12, that is equal to minus 6. This minus 6 is called the determinant of this matrix. The operation is AD minus BC, not BC minus AD, or not other one. So AD minus BC, mathematics defined determinant of 2 by 2 matrix as AD minus BC only for the matrix having 2 rows, 2 columns, which are AD and BC. Okay, this is important. Okay students, determinant of a square matrix. The determinant of a square matrix, here 2 by 2 matrix, is defined as, see here, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. That real number is called its determinant. Okay students, observe now. So stage 1 is 2 by 2 matrices should take. If A is taken as 2 minus 1 3 minus 4, we want find its determinant AD minus 8 minus half BC minus 3. So minus 8 plus 3, that is equal minus 5. Determinant of that matrix minus 5. This minus 5 is unique number. That unique number represent determinant of that matrix. Okay students, but your difficulty thing is, if matrix is third order 2 3 4 1 1 1 2 1 3, for example, a matrix is given, how to find its determinant? Not at all easy one. How to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix? What the definition given by to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix? Okay, to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, we need to define new things in this chapter. One is called minor of an element of a square matrix. This is one important thing. Next, cofactor of an element of a square matrix. Now I will define, I will explain how they defined minor of an element of a square matrix and cofactor of an element of a square matrix. Okay students, observe here. So all these two things are defined only for now in this stage 3 by 3 matrix only. Students listen. For example, a 3 by 3 matrix is given as A1, what I can write, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Minor of an element of a square matrix, especially 3 by 3 in this stage. What is the definition? I will explain. For example, you want to find minor of this element, that first row first column element, that denoted by M11 is defined as that row and that column should be neglect. If that row, that column containing A1 is neglected, after that we will get a small matrix with 2 rows 2 columns. What is the determinant of these 2 rows 2 columns is be taken as the minor of this element. Now I can say that minor of the element A1, minor of A1 equal to M11 equal to this column and this row should remove. Remaining elements you get 2 by 2 matrix determined, that is B2, B3, C2, C3. What we will get, that is called minor of the element A1. So what we will get here, B2 C3 minus C2 B3. For example, you want find the minor of this element. For example, I will show you. Students, listen. For example, we want find the minor of this element. What should do? That column and row containing that matrix should be ignored. What happened here? A1, A3, C1, C3. A small 2 by 2 matrix will get A1, A3, C1, C3. A small 2 by 2 matrix. With determinant is said to be the minor of that matrix. I can say minor of what is that? B2 equal to, I can say yeah, M what which actually what is none of that is second row second column, M22 I can write, that is equal to determinant of matrix A1 A3 C1 C3. What we will get? A1 C3 minus C1 A3. This is called determinant of B2. Similarly, you can find the determinant of all the elements. Students, important note: A, B, C, D is a matrix. This is a matrix. It is not a real number. It is a matrix. Not a complex number. It is a matrix. But this is not a matrix. This is not a matrix. Student, this is the real number or complex number. This real number or complex number, which is a representative for this matrix, which is called determinant of that matrix. Notations are important, students. Okay, students. Yeah. Minor of an element of a square matrix. Aij is the square matrix. The minor of an element Aij in A is the determinant of the square matrix that remaining after deleting the ith row jth column of A, and it denoted by Mij. Just now explain, no? So again I want to explain, students, listen here. Okay, now listen here. So here this is a 3 by 3 matrix. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 something. Again I want to define how mathematicians define Amij, minor of this. So in even 3 by 3 matrix, ith row jth column should be delete. So determinant of the remaining smaller matrix is called the minor of that element. Okay, for example, you want to find the minor of A23. Symbolically you can write M23. M23 second row third column should remove. Second row third column, second row and third column. A23, this one only. This total row and this column should be delete. So the determinant formed by remaining 2 by 2 matrix, that is A11, A12, A31, A32. Using that we get a 2 by 2 matrix. So I will write A11, A12, A31, A32. What will be determinant of that? This is actually the matrix determinant. So what will get here? A11, A32 minus A31, A12. What we will get? That is called the minor of that element. Okay, through example I will explain this concept now. Okay, listen, students. If A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 2 3 1, for my convenience I am using integral values only here, 0. So you want find minor of each is very difficult, no? Something minor of yeah, what 2 2s are there, okay, no problem, I will find all, minor of 1 means down should write 1 1, don't confuse, sometimes one more 1 is there here, that is I think M11. How they define that row, that column should be removed, so 3120, that is equal 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is set to the minor of this element. Like that you can write remaining also. I want write none, observe here. Minor of minus 1, that is 1 2, no, first row second column element. I can write M12. So that column, that row should remove 2140. 2140. See here. 2140. That is equal to 0 minus 4. That is equal to minus 1. So minor of 2. Which 2? That is first row third column element. 1 3. So what I can write, that is M13. What I can write as M13? That row, that column should remove. So 2 3 4 2. So that is 2 2s are 4 minus 12. I think correct only for the 12. Minus. Please cross check my calculations. Sometimes I will make mistakes. Okay. So minor of entire row completed. No? Second row I want to take. Minor of. Yeah, what is the element? Minor of 2. Actually, that is. Yeah, what is 2 1? Second row first column element. I can write as M21. So that row, that column should be removed. What are the left with us means minus 1 2 2 0. That is 0 minus of 4, that is equal minus 1. Okay, next minor of 3 I want 3, that is 2 2, second row second column element, that is M22, that is equal to that row, that column should be removed. So that row, that column should be removed. What happened? Minus 1, sorry, 1 only, plus 1 2 4 0, that is equal 0 minus 8 equal to minus 8. So in this way you can find the minors of all the elements. This is one important concept. Minor after cofactor of a element of a square matrix. I will explain here only. Cofactor of an element of a square matrix. Students, let A equal to Aij, yeah, n by n, a square matrix of order n. What is the minor? Minor of Aij, how I define? That is Mij, how I define? Ith row jth column element of the 3 by 3 matrix should remove. So you get 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant of the resulting 2 by 2 matrix is taken as its minor. Okay, but now how they define cofactor? Cofactor. Observe all of it. Cofactor. Cofactor. Yeah. Cofactor of Aij is defined as minus 1 power I plus j into Mij. Minor. Minus 1 power I plus j should multiplied with the minor of that element. What we will get, that is said to be the cofactor of that element of the given matrix. So through example I will explain, students. A equal to 2 3 1 0 1 3 0 minus 1 4 given. Find the cofactor of any 3, for example. Which 3? 2 3s are there. Which 3? That is 1 2 1 2, or sometimes C12 also can write cofactor. How to find C12? Just now explain, no? What is that? Minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into M12. Okay, important, Nana. Minus 1 power 1 plus 3, that is minus 1 in minus M12. M12, that row, that column should remove. this row should remove. What happened? 0, 3, 0, 4 resulting matrix. Its determinant is 0, 0 only. So directly in this in this example, especially cofactor of 3, 1, 2 is equal to 0. Okay. For example, you want to find cofactor of 2. For example, you want to find cofactor of 2. I will write cofactor of 2. Which one? 1, 2, 1, 1. That is what? C11. What is that, Nana? Minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into mij. Minus 1 power 2 means 1 only. 1 into mij. This row, this column should remove. So what happened? 1, 3 minus 1, 4. 4 1s are 4. Again I will write. Okay. So what happened here? Okay. 4 1s are 4. Minus. AD minus BC. No, minus of minus 3. That is equal to 7. I can say that cofactor of this element is 7. In this way, you can find cofactor and minus of any element of a square matrix, especially 3 by 3. Students, here a definition is given. What I explained same. Here observe just. Yeah, cofactor of an element in a square matrix. The cofactor of an element ith row or jth column of a matrix defined as the minor multiplied by minus 1 power I plus j. Aij is a cofactor. Aij, then Aij. Okay, in this book they are using capital A, no problem. That is minus 1 power I plus j into mij. Okay. Yeah, okay, students. So now actual important part for us is determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. How they defined. That is important thing. Det of a 3 by 3 matrix. See the definition. The determinant of a square matrix. Square means here any square actually. So actually we are dealing with 3 by 3. Na? The determinant of a square matrix is the sum of the product of the elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors. Important, student. Important. Once again listen. The determinant of a square matrix is the sum of the product of the elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors. Means I will explain A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. For example, this is a matrix P. We want find the determinant denoted by this symbol. So what saying that take any row or any column, your wish, any row, any column, your wish. For example, I want to take this row. What that definition saying that A into its cofactor plus B into its cofactor plus C into its cofactor gives the determinant of that matrix. Okay, but very important thing is choose any row or any column. Determinant of that matrix is unique. For example, with the help of this row, I found the determinant. I got 30. Take this row also get 30 only. Take this row also get 30 only. Or you take this column 30, or this column 30, or this column 30. Anything will get 30 only. That is interesting thing. A determinant of a square matrix is the sum of the product of the elements, ABC elements of row or column with their corresponding cofactors. Students, very important, Anna, this one. Okay, I will explain through example. Let matrix A is given as 1 2 1 2 1 3, okay, 0 1 4, for example, a 3 by 3 matrix. Yeah, according to definition, how to find the determinant? You can choose any row or any column. So always I will choose first row, that is 1 2 1, det A or det A equal to 1 into its cofactor. Okay, yeah, plus 2 into its cofactor plus 1 into its cofactor. What is the cofactor of Aij? Minus 1 power I plus j into mij. Minor. So minus 1 power first row first column element into m11. Okay, students. So minus 1 power 1 plus 2 first row second column M12. So minus 1 power, what is that, Nana? First row third column, 1 plus 3 into M13. What happened here? Plus Mij, M11 minus 2 times of M12 plus 1 times of M13. Alternate symbols, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Now I want to find M11. Okay, so directly I want to write M11. So 1314 minus 2 into M12. This row, this column should remove 2304 plus 1 into 13. First the row 2101. So what do we get, Nana? This is 4 minus 3 minus 2 into 8 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 minus 0. 4 minus 3, that is 1, minus 16 plus 2, that is equal minus 13. We got minus 13. So students, now I want to use another column or another row to find data of this matrix. So now I want to use this, Nana. What happened? We will observe det A equal to 1 into its cofactor plus 3 into its cofactor plus 4 into its cofactor. So what is this, Nana? First row third column element. First row third column element. What is this? Second row third column element. Third row third column element. This is what, and second row third column. First row third column. This is third row third column. Okay. So what is here? M13, M23, M33. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus M13 will get. Yeah, 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1 power 5, minus 3 into M23. Yeah, students. Yeah, plus even only 4 M33. Now I want to find M13 value. Here I will find, Nana. Here I will find M13 equal to first row third column should be removed. First row third column. This is the resulting. That is 2 ones are 2 minus 0, 2 only. So here instead of that I can write 2, 3 into M23. This and this should remove. So what is the resulting? 1201. That is 1 only. I can write 1 plus 4 into M33. This row and this column should be removed. Resulting matrix is 1 2 2 1. But that, Nana? 1 minus 4. Yeah, that is minus 3. Now I want to simplify. 2 minus 3 minus 12. Okay. So here minus 1, minus 13. What you got? Minus 13. Here also you got minus 13. This is interesting thing. Any row or any column you can choose. Any row or any column. Okay. That is important. A row is taken, for example, A, B, C row is taken. A into its cofactor plus B into its cofactor plus C into its cofactor gives the determinant of that matrix, Nana. Especially here you are using a 3 by 3 matrix. Any row, any column you can use. Observe one more example, example 2. Find det of P equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 4, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1. Just to find determinant, you can choose any row or any column. You get answer same. I already explained. Your wish. Any row, any column you can take. So now I want to take this column. Actually, better to use first row. Then easily you can complete the problem. Okay, students. 2 into its cofactor plus 4 into its cofactor plus 3 into its cofactor gives the determinant of that matrix, determinant of P. Yeah, 2 into its cofactor means a small 3 by 3 matrix. First of all I want to write symbols, that is important, nana. 1 plus 1, yeah, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. Okay, what is this? 3 minus of 1, that is 2. Should write 2 here. Okay, next, yeah, 1 plus 3 negative, minus 4 will get later. First of all I want to write this. What is that, nana? M12, first row second column, first row second column should remove. Sorry, second row second column, that one, what I wrote wrong, no? Second row first column, 2 1, this is 2 1, yeah, this is 3 1, should change, nana. Okay, yeah, 2 plus 1 3, odd number, minus will get. So later we'll see that. First of all 2 1, 2 1, second row first column, what are the minus 1 1, minus 1 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus of 1 into minus 1, again a minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, here we will get 0. So procedure becomes easy for us. If anything we got 0. So this one 3 1, 3 plus 1 4, so later we will see 3 1. This row, this column should remove, minus 1 1 3, minus 1, what is the det of that should write here. So what is the det, nana? Minus of plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Now I want to write symbols. Even 4, odd, minus 4 into 0, okay, nana, plus 3 into minus 2. So 4 minus 0 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is taken as the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Students, sincere advice, choose first row to find the its determinant. Why I will explain. Why you want to use first row? Through example I will explain. A equal to, for example, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, for example. Why I am saying first row? 2 into its minor, minus 3 into its minor, plus 4 into its minor. I mean, I am not using the cofactor, because already I used symbols. Actually what happened on here? Minus 1 power 1 plus 1, minus 1 power 1 plus 2, minus 1 power 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 1 what? Even, no? Neglected. Symbol is neglected here. So 1 plus 3 odd with the minus, minus 1 power odd. Here I wrote here minus. So directly I wrote the symbols. Oh yeah, 1 plus 3 4, minus 1 power even. So even only. So directly this element, student, if you use first row, this is applicable. This concept is applicable. This element it's minor, not plus 3, minus of this. What is there? What is the symbol in front of 3? Plus. Opposite symbol should write here. If minus is there, you need to write opposite symbol, plus. So 2 into it is minor, minus 3 into it is minor, plus 4 into it is minor. What you will get? That is nothing but a determinant. Because cofactories I neglected. No, directly I wrote the symbols. Okay. What should write here? Directly I can say 0 minus 63. I can say minus 63. Here 3 into 3. This row, this call should have 0 minus 46. 0 minus 56. 7 7s are 49. Okay, 56. Next 4. This one. So 945 minus 48. So minus 3. Okay. So simplify, what we will get? That is the determinant of that matrix. So you can choose any row, any column to find. So now what happened after practicing all these type of problems? Directly can find its determinant without saying minor and cofactor. Just now explained. Again I want to explain, students. Listen. We want find a determinant of this matrix. How can you find just this? For example, this column is taken to. You don't write symbol. Later I will 5 8. Just you write like that. Now symbols should write. Yeah, what is these two? First row, first column. 1 plus 1 positive. What is first row, second column? First row, second column. Odd, minus will get. Minus 1 power of 1 plus 2 only, no? That one. minus. In bracket I will write it is minus 8. 8 means what is that, nana? Third row first column. 3 plus 1 4 even, plus just you write here it's minor. It's minor, no? 60 minus 6 sevens are 6 sevens are 63. 5 minus 5 into that row, that column should remove. 30 minus 36. Last one. So 8 into it's this row, this column should remove. What are resulting? 7 3 is 21 minus 28, that is equal to minus 7. So simplify, what we will get, that is taken as the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix.